millions of tons of electronics are discarded. This is the urban mine. In a world of finite resources, we turn our waste into the building blocks of the future.
Clear for intake at Bay 4.
Every
Copper cables separate.
Heavy copper content in this batch.
Data security is paramount before recycling begins. Now, the mechanical transformation begins. The beast devours everything, reducing complex devices to raw fragments.
Powerful magnets snatch steel and iron from the mix.
Physics takes over. Eddy currents repel aluminum and copper. Increasing RPM for fine granulation. Reduced to sand, the materials are ready for optical sorting.
Lasers identify materials by color and density in milliseconds.
Advanced filtration captures hazardous dust, keeping the air clean.
Copper is recovered, ready to be melted down and reused.
But the true treasure hunt happens at the molecular level.
Welcome to the refinery, where heat and chemistry work their magic. Furnace 1 at optimal temperature, 1200 degrees.
Pyrometallurgy uses extreme heat to melt the copper and precious metals.
Slag separation looks clean. Impurities float to the top as slag, leaving the metal below.
These copper anodes contain the gold, silver, and palladium.
lowering batch 7 into the acid bath.
Electricity forces pure copper to the cathode, while precious metals fall as sludge.
Acid dissolves the silver first, separating it from the gold.
Filtering out the gold solids. Silver is in the liquid. The silver precipitates out as a pure white powder. Aqua regia dissolves the gold. With a chemical trigger, the gold returns to its solid state. Clean and dried, the gold dust is ready for the final fire. The transformation is complete. Liquid value. Silver follows a similar path, cast into industry-standard ingots.
Bringing out the mirror finish.
Verifying purity. Looking for 4 nines. Purity confirmed. From trash to treasure. Ready for the market, these bars re-enter the global economy.
Silver pallet complete.
This is the culmination of the process. Not just gold, but palladium and platinum are recovered too. With a signature, the materials are released back into the supply chain.
The cycle continues as materials return to the industry.
Your next device might contain the gold from your old one.
From chaotic waste to pure value, the transformation is total.
Recycled gold has the same purity as mined gold.
Beautiful, sustainable, and indistinguishable from the new.
Recycled copper builds the infrastructure of our cities. Silver is the conductive heart of solar technology.
From solar panels to electric vehicles, recycling powers the green transition.
As the sun sets, the work of preservation never truly stops.
Urban mining is up to 50 times more efficient than traditional mining.
Every ounce recycled is an ounce of nature preserved.
I am so glad that's over.
Best feeling in the world. Ready for the weekend.
You said it.
A city that recycles is a city that sustains itself.
Infinite recyclability. Infinite potential.
Job done.
Closing the loop for a better tomorrow.